Yeah, hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to the Salesforce real-time scenarios. So in this previous video, we are discussing about to the how we are going to calculate it by the and after discount price and the total amount, and as well as to the when we are giving to the discount only, we have to display by the discount and after discount price. If we are not giving to the any discount value, we have to the hide the discount and after discount price. So that was we discussed in the previous video. Now in this video, we are going to discuss about to the state and central GST calculations, how we are going to the calculation these values, and as well as to the we have to calculate it by the grand total as well. Let's see how we are going to implement this. So come to the here. So we have to take it by the GST calculation purpose. We have to take it by the one field GST, that is fixed value 9, either state or central, both are same, right? So where we are taking one variable, that is the 9. So here we have to take it by the GST is the 9%. So here we are going to come to the here we have to the calculation to the GST when we are clicking on the handle quotation, same method, right? So for this calculation purpose, I am taking this separate one method, handle GST. So we can write for our GST calculation here. In future, if you want any changes also, we can easily write, and no need for the all code write into the in the single method. Separate, this is separate calculation, right? So here we have. So we have to calculate by GST on the total amount, right? So our total amount will coming to the final here, right? So if you are they giving to the discount here, changing by the discount. If you are not giving by the discount here, but finally with the discount or without discount, total amount here. This total amount we need to pass it to the here. This method. Why means this total amount we have taken by the in this method, right? We have taken by the in this method. So how we are going to pass it to that is, so here total amount, it is the parameterized method. We are define the parameterized method. So once this total amount come to the here, we have to calculate it by the state state GST. So that purpose here we have to take it by the where. So here we have to calculate it by the so state GST equals to so total amount into GST. We have declared by the top level, right? This should dot GST by 100. So this is for the year. So I'm not going to take by the any central. Why? Because means state and central both will calculate the same 9% rate. So that's why here this is where common. Now here we have to take it by the this dot product data dot SGST equals to SGST, and same this dot product data CGST equals to SGST. I'm giving both calculations is same, right? 9%, 9%. That's why. And after that, we have to calculate by the total amount, right? So after we have to display by the state and central, we have to the total amount. So that purpose, we have to take it by the one variable. So that is the grand total equals to total amount plus total amount plus. So here we have to take it by the 2 into SGST. State and central, right? No need for the plus. I'm taking 2 into that is 2 times we have to add it by the SGST plus CGST, right? Instead of that, both is the common, right? That's why 2 into I'm doubling to the this one. I'm double to the this value. So let's save this. We have to deploy this one now. Sorry, and here we have to call it, right? This method. So this method we have to call it by the this dot handle GST. So here total amount. So we are passing to the this total amount to this method. So this is the parameterized method. So like this we can call to the one method to the another method, and as well as to the we are passing to the data one method to the another method. Okay. So now let's deploy this one. So after deploying these values, we need to display in the quotation page. So how we are going to display in the quotation page? So come to the here, it is deployed successfully. Now come to the here quotation page. After total amount, we have to display. So let's take this same TRTDs, one for the state, one for the central, one for the grand total. So here we have to take it by the SGST. This is for the central GST. This is for the grand total amount. Okay. So let's save this. We have the, sorry, we have to display by these values also, right? So SGST, I think small, and this one is this CGST. I think we have after discount total amount. I think it's missed. So we can give it by the total amount. Okay. So grand total, this is, let's remove this here. After discount price, we have to give it by the total amount field. Okay, let's save and deploy this one. So once it's deployed, we can see the calculations and grand total amount. Okay, let's see the here grand total we have seen in the. So now here also we have to see these things grand total. Okay. So now here it is successfully deployed. Let's back to the here, refresh by the page. So let's take to the here. To discount also I'm giving the here to see here. So grand total is not populated. We can see the here grand total. So here we have to what is given to the here grand total. Okay, I think we are not added by the in this product data, right? That's why it's not populated. So this should dot product data dot grand total equals to grand total. Let's save and deploy this. Let's come back. So refresh by the page. So here we have given to this, generate. See here. Now it is showing by the grand total as well. If you are not giving by the discount, calculations will be the changed. Calculation will be the changed by the here. If you are giving by this one, see here, it will be the changed. Okay, so central or state both are the same percentage rate. That's why here appear, and finally grand total. And we have to display it by the 9% like this. So we have to showing the only state and central GST rate. We have to display by the 9%. So that purpose, we have to take it by the one more variable here. This dot product data dot GST equals to this dot GST. So save. Now deploy this one and come to the quotation HTML. So here we have to give it, right? So here product data dot GST. So this is the dynamically, right? So here we have to give it by the dynamically, and here we have to the percentage, 9%. Okay, so let's remove the space. Same we have to apply it to the same this one also, right? Center also same. Now let's deploy this one also. So once deployed by the both components, let's see the preview. So let's come to the here, refresh the page. So here we have given with the two quantity, 2% discount. See here, 9% also be the appended to the here. Okay, so like this, we have to do the calculation of the state and central GST, and we have to display by the grand total after the calculation of the all these things. So I hope it's clear how we were implemented this. And coming to the next video, we are going to discuss to the how we are going to display by the horizontal lines like this separate section. Right? Let's see here. These are all will come to the in the one by one, right? But we have to separate sections wise like this. We have to display, and we have to display by the currency format also. Let's see here, price after discount, total amount, state and central GST amounts, and grand total also be the appear by the like this now. So we have to display by the with the currency. So here Indian currency is the rupees, right? We have to apply by the rupees. So how we are going to implement that is, we can check it into the next video. Stay tuned. Thank you.